Hi, welcome to InfoComm 2018. This is Todd Morse here with Brother Mobile Solutions, and I wanted to go over some of our new products. One in particular is the latest and the greatest, which is our PTE800W. This machine is a desktop, actually portable printer as well. Great for manufacturing, wrapping cables, asset management. Again, this is called, what we're calling is our lunchbox printer. And as you're going to see, here's the reason why we're calling it our lunchbox printer, is that you can actually open it up, and one of two things. You either have storage for tape or your favorite sandwich, juicy box. But anyway, this is a hit here at InfoComm this year. Here's a couple of features I'm going to go over real quick. Number one, it has a integrated keyboard that can be removed and set in front of the unit as such. All right. For any type of desktop labeling, you can also take the keyboard when you're not using it and connect it straight to the unit. And at this particular point, because it has a lithium-ion battery, it becomes a completely portable printer. You also have the ability on this machine to dump a Excel spreadsheet of up to 10,000 labels into the machine. And the advantage of that is that you're now working from a database rather than doing individual labels. Now, this is also a Wi-Fi machine, and when I say Wi-Fi, it's got nothing to do with the internet. It's a direct connect with your smart device. And there's two apps on here. The first app on here is that anything that you can do on the machine, you can do right here. Cable wraps, heat shrink, face plates, barcoding. The other kind of cool thing about this is that there's another app on here, which is called the Brother iPrint and Scan. You can actually do custom labels. And I'm going to give you a real quick demo of a custom label, but you can see I've done some custom labels here, including the barcodes. Here's one in particular. Now, you can actually edit this in the app. You can double tap it, you can edit it, but then when it's time to print, all you do is hit print. I'm going to hit the print button, and you'll see as we scan out that this particular label is now going to be produced on the machine. And here we come. So here's the label. Now, before this particular company, they were purchasing these labels on a roll for 72 cents a piece and then utilizing a Sharpie to fill in the information as far as who was doing the installation, the date of the installation. So you can imagine, based upon how somebody writes, at certain points it wasn't legible. Now, what happens here is that this can actually be edited inside my smartphone to where it's very professional looking. The machine has a 2-year exchange warranty, so at any particular time, if there is an issue with the machine, Brother replaces the machine. Price on this versus my competition, it's about a third of the price. This retails for $549. My competition, you're anywhere from $1,500 to $1,700. So it's a great value, and it's a one and done machine is essentially what it is. As far as the tapes are concerned, it still uses the Brother TZE tapes, which have been around forever. This particular machine goes up to 1.5 inches, whereas the handhelds will go only up to 1 inch. So as you can see, here's your 1.5 inch example right here, is that they're fantastic looking laminated labels. And when I say laminated, they are scratch resistant, scuff resistant, heat resistant, oil resistant, chemical resistant, fade resistant. It's the toughest label out on the market. It's also the best value out on the market. So again, this is our PTE800W lunchbox printer, and that's all I got for you. Oh, I'm sorry. For more information, please visit us at www.edgelabeling.com.